good morning. Welcome back to our maths channel. Children, today we are going to learn one more new concept, that is thicker and thinner. To know the thickness of any object, we need to observe the broadness or the width of that given object. Now let's move to our first example. You can see these two objects. Now we need to compare the thickness of these two objects. Now to compare, you have to see the broadness or the width. Now this one is the broadness of this object and here the broadness is this. You need to compare these two. By this you will come to know the broadness of this object is bigger as compared to this object. So this one is the thicker one and this one is the thinner one. Now we'll move for our next example. You can see these two. You have to compare the width or broadness. So you can see the width of this object here, see, and the width you can see here is, this object's width is thicker, so this one is thicker and this will be thinner. Now we'll move to our next example. Now you compare and tell me, out of these two pens, which one is the thinner one and which one is thicker one?
Teacher,
Yes.
the one with the grey color
Yes.
pen, that is a broader one, broader width. So that is thicker as compared to the red pen which is there. It has a thinner width, so that one is thinner and grey one is thicker.
Yes. The grey one is thicker and the red one is thinner. Very good. You have observed the width, that is broadness. Now we'll see our last example. When you compare these two bottles, okay, you need to compare the width. Now you tell me which one is thicker and which one is thinner.
Teacher, I think the blue color water bottle is thicker as compared to the pink one.
Yes, you are right. The blue one is thicker, as you can see the broadness and the width, and the pink one is thinner, as you can see properly the difference between the width of both the bottles. So now you have learned the concept of thicker and thinner. Perform this kind of activity at your home using different objects. Bye. Take care.